guys, good afternoon. I'm Alice, the marketing specialist at HGTECH. First, I would like to thank everybody for taking time out of your busy day to join us to this live show. And today, we'll be going through one of our star product, MarvelPlus. So sit back and enjoy the show. We'll be going through a lot of things today. Now, tell me, have you ever encountered those problems in your daily operation, like low stability when cutting the thick plate, poor cutting quality of corners and sharp corners, and hard to figuring out the cutting process by yourself, or you got a lot of wasted sheet leftovers, or it spent a lot of time to do the edge finding, and the edge finding, because the edge finding is not fast enough, and the cutting head had decreased the quality because of the collision. Or you think the whole production line is stupid. If anything accident happens, you need to start over from your production. What if I told you here that all of those problems, MarvelPlus can solve it? But before we start, I would like to give a quick introduction about our number 3 workshop. Here in this industrial manufacturing factory production line, you can see here this production line is for MarvelPlus. And here this production line is for the GF or GF Plus series machines. Those are our staff that are adjusting the machine. They're still in the construction. On the left side of me, those machines are already packaged and they're ready to be delivered. Follow me please this way. This machine is also ready to be delivered and they're packaging it. I would like to take a tour around our factory because at the end of that way you can see those are the components of the machines, like the electronic cabinet or the crossbeams. I also heard that today there is a MarvelPlus machine is already packaged and it is doing the final test. We may get the chance to take a close look of it. So now follow me. There we are. So I would like to introduce you about our MarvelPlus first. It is the double driven gantry structure, brings you the stable structure, good rigidity and high speed, which ensures you great performance during the cutting. And it has a good dynamic response due to the integral weld structure. Also, we use high precision linear guide rails, high precision reducer and the gear integral parts, and other high precision and efficient transmission mechanism, which ensures the good rigidity and high precision of long-term operation. We also use the airspace level pressure resistant aluminum alloy, the crossbeam, which ensures you the lightweight, high strength, sturdy and durable, high precision and stable quality. In addition to the high quality bed design, MarvelPlus also equipped with the new brand Valley A2000 and 300 bus control system. Let's take a look of that. The full bus design has the feature of low response time, strong anti-interference data transmission, ensuring the high speed and stable signal transmission. Now let's take a close look of the operational interface. 照一下这个。You can see that the layout is quite clear. It uses the new human-machine interface. It's easy to operate and fully functional, so no more difficulties in the staff training for you. We also use the expert-level processing database, providing a windowed and conversational database of cutting processional parameters. So you don't need to figuring out the cutting process by yourself. Just one click and you can do the easy operation. There are also this is the newly cutted 6mm carbon steel. You can see that the corners and sharp corner is quite smooth. It's very good quality. Now let's go back to introduce the bus control system to you. They also have many processing models that you can choose, and they can automatically change the nozzle by the program, so you don't need to do it manually. It's so easy to operate, right? Besides that, this system is also intelligent. It allows other tasks to be inserted into the production, so that if you have unexpected production, it can be inserted from the middle of the operation. And it is also able to start from any position on the workpiece if there is an accident happened, and you can quickly go back to the from where it is interrupted. And it is also associated with multi-equipment, so you can truly accomplish the production management, remote monitoring, sending the production plan, and sharing the profile in the cloud. Take a look of this surface. The new human-machine interface, you can see the clear layout, and it's easy to operate and fully functional. So no more difficulties in training staff. And we have the expert-level processing database, providing a windowed and conversational database of cutting process parameters, so you don't need to figure out how to cut by yourself. Just one click and easy cut. Oh, it starts. There are many processing modes that you can choose. And also I need to mention that there has an automatic nozzle change by program without manual labor. So as we're waiting for them to adjust the software system, I would like to introduce our new Valley A2300 bus control system. This full bus design has the feature of low response time, strong anti-interference data transmission, so it can ensure the high speed and stable signal transmission. As we already seen the interface, you can see it's very easy to operate. And besides that, the system is also intelligent. It allows our other tasks to be inserted into production, so that unexpected production requirements can be coordinated as priority. And it is also able to start from any position on the workpiece. If any accident happens, you can quickly go back to the work from the point of interruption. It also equipped with the intelligent cloud platform, associated with multi-equipment, so it can truly accomplish production management, remote monitoring, sending production plan, and sharing profile in the cloud.
啊，师傅，你什么时候要搞直播是吧？我也说，我不知道。他们那天天天找我要我搞直播，我说不搞，就不搞。要支持家。不是，我没，我讲，我觉得我可以跟售后的讲，跟客户讲什么用，我讲什么嘞。就把所有的当客户一样，我觉得面对的人不一样，不一样。
Now we're going to do 22 millimeters cutting, I guess. We also have other thick plate like 40, 50, even 60 millimeters cutting finished product. I'm going to show you in the exhibition area later. You can take a look at our patented hollow bed. It could avoid thermal deformation of the bed to ensure stable and accurate cutting at twice weight loaded. This ensures the super stability when cutting thick plates. The high-speed response laser power changing can ensure the quality cutting of corners and sharp corners. We're going to take a closer look then.
电视。竖起来，横截面看一眼。对的。16毫米。19。19.2。20。
这可以。
再切一个。
哇。
22一般吗？线位开关吗？这是叫线位开关。再介绍一遍。
再说一遍吗？
再说一遍。
Now we're going to do a 22 millimeters laser cutting.
开始啊。
You can take a close look at our patented hollow bed. It could avoid thermal deformation of the bed to ensure stable and accurate cutting at twice weight loaded. So this can ensure the super stability when cutting thick plates. As well, just cutting a 22 millimeters steel. But we still got some thick plate like 40, 50, even 60 millimeters carbon steel. But they're in the exhibition area. I'm going to show you those finished products. But now let's take a close look of this finished work.
你手套拿一下。
It's nearly close to 20 millimeters, I think.
Okay.
Also got some extra cutted thick plates in the #1 workshop, like 50 or even 60 millimeters carbon steels. Let's take a look of that. Come with me. So in this industrial park, we have 3 workshops. This is the #3 workshop, and we are going to the #1 workshop. In #3 workshop, we have 3 large advanced laser production line with an almost production capacity about 3 units per year. And behind me, this is the production line of MarvelPlus, and it is actually the first production line in China of the high-power laser cutting machine. This is a 30,000 high-power laser source. and now it's going to do 60 millimeters cutting. Yeah, let's take a close look.怎么啊？烧坏了？
今天好。我支付的时候都是
出问题。
责令不知道
什么？
标记定位 position。
哦，就 position。
这个手慢小换，这个小慢。第二天等的时间可能真有的办公室，让他们多多一点，那不慢呀。多人。这样把它反过来，让它往下走。需要拍把面拍的特别清楚，大概能看。这个怎么会光？指纹。
Wow, you can see that all the corners and sharp corners is so smooth. This is oxygen cutting, right?
对了吧？
好。
OK。
Now we are going to see a nitrogen cutting of 60 millimeters carbon steel. Come with me. Those are the all stock, and they are adjusted the machine to make them ready to delivery. Does MarvelPlus impress you? I also got to mention that it is equipped with a remote diagnostic system, where our after-sales professional engineers are at your service. Besides, we also have the service outlets all over the world, so you can call the hotline at any time. We promise you that 2 hours response and 24 hours arrival at the customer side. So, to sum up, the MarvelPlus has the power to meet 100% of your metal processing needs, equipped with the new fully intelligent bus system and the intelligent collision avoidance system and the remote diagnostic system. If you want to reduce your purchasing and maintenance cost, improve your cutting quality, or even build your own smart factory, then MarvelPlus is the one for you. In fact, it is already one of the most popular models on the market. So, this is all for today's live show. Do you like it? if you are interested in MarvelPlus or you would like to know more information about it, please leave the comments and our product analysts are on their way to help you. And if you have any suggestion or there are any other products you're interested in, please leave the comments too. Maybe the next broadcast will be tailored for you. So, bye! See you next time!